you guys as a surprise. Okay guys, we're back and we got
Lots of things.
these magic markers. They actually are magic. I've seen them and we're gonna show it with you guys with this paper.
So we're gonna tell you at the end.
Okay, there's two of these, but we're gonna just show you one of them. It's a cute sleeping mask.
For kids.
Yeah, and it's really fuzzy and cute.
Unicorn.
And best for last, this Barbie doll. Look at how cute it is. It has all these accessories.
It has shoes. It has a bag. Some hair clips. This hair. And it has another clip with
And a
hair.
brush.
Purple brush.
Okay, so we
open
open
it
them. And
gonna
there's colors.
with pink.
And we're gonna take this magic crayon. Okay, we finished it. And now we're gonna make some
magic.
Okay.
We made some shapes. So first we're gonna do it with blue, orange, or yellow. Do this one. Red. It became yellow.
And this one we're gonna try like this. Still works like that.
Now at
It
the
doesn't
blue
go
one,
through. It doesn't change with the other one. It goes on, and it looks so good.
and blue, it changes to green.
And if we put this one and we try to use these colors,
And pink to
let me
green.
just give you.
See?
Okay.
And this for mommy.
I'm gonna do another one with this one.
Now, orange.
And let's try pink.
Orange. Red.
See, it disappears. So if you want like a 3D thing, you can just do that and it won't get on.
Okay, so now we
It's
do
perfect
green.
for drawing stuff.
What you like, draw. We unboxed it, like all of these. This is the doll. It's mine. She's so beautiful. She has long hair, and she comes with this to change her hair, and it comes with this to make it blue. And this is a brush to brush her hair. She has a brush. And here are some clips for her to put it on. And there's another one that says love. And this is her PJs. This is her buns, like this. You put it on. See? And the elastics. There's a pink one and a blue one. Blue, pink. Same color. And these are her heels. And this is her bag. It's golden, just like her heels, these ones.
Cool.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you guys in the next video.
Bye.